The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado emergency for central Canadian County. A confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado is located near El-Renno, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Current radar estimates place the tornado width at approximately 1.1 miles. This is a life-threatening situation. Take shelter immediately, preferably in a bunker or bathtub. Stay away from windows and lock your doors. Radar indicates the tornado has expanded to 1.5 to 1.7 miles wide. A strong debris signature is present, with debris lofted above 35,000 feet. Emergency managers report severe structural damage along Highway 81. Spotters confirm the circulation is widening at an unusual rate. Residents in Yukon should prepare to shelter in place and should not risk driving to a shelter or outside bunker. Stay safe. Radar indicates the tornado has grown to 2.2 to 2.4 miles wide. Forward speed has decreased to 15 miles per hour, increasing the duration of impact. Multiple subvortices are forming along the outer edge of the main circulation. The low-level mesocyclone continues to expand outward, which is atypical for tornadic development. Shelter should be taken immediately in all areas west of Oklahoma City. If you have any loved ones far away, call them to tell them you are okay. Stay safe. The tornado is now approximately 3.0 miles wide. Radar shows intense rotation extending far beyond the core circulation. The storm's path has become erratic. Movement vector cannot be reliably determined. Residents near Interstate 44 should move to shelter now. This is nothing like we have ever seen. The tornado has reached 3.8 to 4.0 miles wide. The debris field covers a large portion of central Canadian County. Widespread power outages are occurring as transmission lines fail. The tornado continues to expand, despite reduced inflow, which is not consistent with known storm behavior. Residents in Oklahoma City should shelter immediately. The tornado has expanded to 6.3 to 6.5 miles wide and continues to grow. Federal emergency protocols have been activated. All residents within 40 miles of Oklahoma City must seek shelter immediately. Remain sheltered until further instructions are issued. This message was brought to you by the United States federal government. The tornado has expanded to 6.3 to 6.5 miles wide and continues to grow. Federal emergency protocols have been activated. Remain sheltered until further instructions are issued. Kansas.
Your heat index is 107. Everyone in
Oklahoma
is dead. The temperature, the heat